So I bought a Alaskan Chainsaw mill. This is the 18 to 20 inch model. I picked it up from Lee Valley in Calgary, Alberta. I am using a Husqvarna 365 SP with a mill chain, which has a very different pitch than your normal chainsaw blade edge chain. It just cut up 14-inch logs or 10-inch log really cleanly. I'm very pleased with it. I hadn't had to sharpen the blade a single time. It's got a nice measurement scale on the side, which is quite accurate. I confirmed with a tape measure just to be safe, and I'll just quickly show you after cutting off the bark the 2-inch pieces that it cut strips of. Oops. And you can see it's a fairly nice finish for considering it's a chainsaw guided by your own hands. And I'm not a pro by any means. This is my first time using it. I should say this is also cedar, so it's a nice soft wood to be practicing on and learning. But overall, I'm very pleased with the outcome, and I think you should definitely purchase one of these Alaskan chainsaw mills.